I'll be showing you how to get $9 million on Madden Mobile. First, you'd have to go to head-to-head. You have to follow these direct ways or else it ain't gonna work. Then you'd have to go to your mailbox, which is right over here. You click on it. You'll go to news, which is right there. Click on it. Go to store. Then you click on that. You log right back out. Click on it. Go to auctions. Then you would go to search bar. Then you would go to put a price right here. Add 2500 Then search. Then you would simply buy something. And then you go to sale. Then you would sell one of your people. Like you can drag it here. There, and you would put these numbers. 9999363. Then you'd put then you would put 9999636. You put done. Then you would simply put post option and go home. My auctions. There you go. And that's how you would simply do it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe down below. And thank you.